Hello guys, and welcome on channel. I have this PDF file named PDF1 and I want to make some changes in it. So in this video you will see how to convert PDF to MS Word, edit it and save it back to PDF. For this, open MS Word and click on File, click Open and click Browse and find your PDF file. So I save it on desktop. So here it is. Click on PDF and click Open and click OK. The PDF file has been opened. Now you can edit it. Now you can change it if you want. And again, to save it in PDF, click on File and click Save As and select location where you want to save and let's name it PDF2 and click this drop down list and select from here PDF and click Save. Go to desktop. Here you can see that the edited PDF file has been created. So that was how you can edit a PDF file and save it back to PDF. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.